Go ahead and move your shrouds in your seat. Now with an 8mm, we'll go ahead and remove this bolt, and this bolt. Now the bolts have been removed, go ahead and lift your fuel tank. And go ahead and disconnect this little harness. Remove the end of this cable from the frame. Go ahead and pull this little guard out. Once the guard is out, you can pull this little clip right here. Pull this clip up. You should be able to just twist right off. There's your fuel tank. Go ahead and empty what gas you have in a jug. Give it a good pry out. There she is. The fuel filter is dirty, but it doesn't look that terrible. I think I'm going to go ahead and replace the filter and the pump. Okay, you gotta pop these clips through. There's 3 of them. Once those are popped through, go ahead and pull out your wires. Alright. Oops. Just go ahead and slide her out of there. Ta-da! There's your pump and your filter. Oops. Just like that. So I got a Quantum Fuel Systems fuel pump. We're gonna try it out. So it looks like we're gonna have to reuse this little O-ring right here. And let's get this filter off. Yeah, little O-ring. Let's go ahead and stick this O-ring back on the new one. We'll go ahead and clip this filter back on. See, should go down in here like this. Should be like that. The ground wire, negative wire, should be this green one. Go ahead and plug it in. Take the yellow one, put it in the positive slot. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean everything up really good. Just get all the debris off. You can take out your pressure regulator if you need to. Mine looks fairly clean. Take this dust seal off. Try not to break the little rubber tabs in it. You can clean all the crap that's in here. Go ahead and take this O-ring off too. Go ahead and roll her off in there. Give that a good cleaning. Maybe put a little oil on it before you put it back. Alright. Now let's guide these wires in. Slide the pump and the filter up in there. Make sure your wires don't get jumbled like that. There we go. Slide it in. Just like so. Go ahead and take this bottom piece and just slide it back together like so. Just like that. Slide the housing back together. Make sure your O-ring is in there. Good. Slide it down. Just like that. Everything's pushed back together, clips are in place. Now we can go ahead and hook up the positive and negative wire. If you look really close, you can't really see them on the glasses, I'm sure, but there's a positive and negative. So we can go ahead and hook these wires back up. Now everything's been cleaned up and put back together. Our O-rings are in the right spot. Our wires are plugged in. Alright, let's clean up the bottom of this gas can real quick. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, now we can go ahead and slide it back in. First, let's put a little lube on it. A little bit of saliva. Yeah. I'll put it down in there. Now I need to go ahead and bolt it down. A little bit convexed, if you will. So slide it through. The shiny side should be toward the metal like that. That's the dirty side, shiny side. And just like the way they came out, they're gonna go back in. Okay, let's go ahead and put this little bracket back on. It should come with 2 washers, I believe, but I could only find one. Now I'm going to slowly tighten one side at a time. Just get a little pressure on one side and then move to the next. Okay, now that it's back in, go ahead and hook up the harness. And go ahead and put this fuel line back on. Okay, our harness and our fuel line is now reconnected. Now's the moment of truth. Go ahead and add just a little fuel. So everything works great, the new fuel pump and filter. So what my problem was to begin with is over a little bit of time it just started taking forever to crank. It wouldn't start right up like it used to. And then the last time I tried it, it just it would die while it was idling, and when I rode it, it would sputter and bog down. Alright, let's try out this Quantum fuel pump.